My name is Sabina Ellis, and I am the NJEA Technology Committee Chair. And welcome to our Tech Talks. In today's video, we will feature Google Jamboard. That will be presented by Peter Moran, who is a technology teacher and the president of his local Frenchtown Education Association. Thank you and enjoy.
Hi, my name is Peter Moran. I'm on the technology committee with NJEA. I'm going to do tech tips with Google Classroom and Jamboard. How to use Jamboard in Google Classroom. Google Classroom became essential over the past 2 years with the pandemic we're having. Jamboard's a product that works seamlessly with Google Classroom, making life easier for students and teachers. If your school's a Google Apps for Education, just click on the tiles, scroll down to the classroom icon and click on that. You'll see the plus sign in the top right-hand corner. When you click on the plus sign, you create a new classroom. The last one I just did was Google Classroom Tech Tips. If you want students to join, you just show them the classroom code and put it up on your smartboard, and all of a sudden you can have 20 to 30 students join you in less than a couple minutes. Trying to get to Jamboard, it's the same easy process. Click on the tiles, click on Jamboard. When you click on Jamboard this time, you'll have the Jamboard launch spot with the plus sign on the bottom. You just click on the plus sign, and it gives you a fresh new Jamboard. And you see on the top there, it has 1 for 1. It's just one blank slide, but you can do an awful lot with a blank slide, and it'll give you up to 20 slides. On the left-hand side, your tools. Your pen, eraser, select tool, sticky notes, inserting images and shapes, text box, and your laser pointer. Chromebook has the exact same look as the MacBooks. Where it comes in different is when their students are using iPads. Do you see the black background on the pen tool? When you click on that, you also get the colors to change in sizes, but now you get an assistive drawing tool. So your drawing tool, you can make just little boxes, and from your little boxes, students can make a little city. And then this particular student has a cat every time she does a project. On the bottom, you have the plus sign. You get sticky notes, images, drive content, camera, image library, and then again, stickers on the bottom. My primary use for Jamboard is using it in math. I like it so you can put our series is online, so you can put this in, students can reference it, and I can send them to do some math problems. They can always go back to it. And in this particular case, I could have one student creating each problem on a different slide, having several students working together, or break the class up in half. When you send the Jamboards out to the students, you can do it in the following ways. You can have students just view it. So if you're looking at it to just look at resources, you can have them work and edit. So you could have a select group of students or the whole class working in one file. Or what I use the most is then make a copy for each student, and then you hit assign. What I love about this the most is it's always there. Students can always go back to it. You can always go back to it and look it over. If students are displaying something and changing, making a mistake, when they're displaying it on the smartboard, you can correct it for them, and then all the students know which is the correct answer. Here's some they did today. This 2 students wanted to do them in sticky notes, different colors in the background. It's easy to read. Next group of students just wanted to use the pen tool and write them out. Either way works for me as long as it's legible and you can understand what they did. It's not only used just for math. In this particular case, in ELA, student was reading a nonfiction story on popcorn. She got the image to put in the back. She drew a popcorn image. She used a sticky note and then put another popcorn image in there, and then just wrote a quick little blurb about popcorn. Finally, my name is Peter Moran. I've been teaching for 25 years. I'm on the technology committee, convention committee, chair of the Paul D, NEA director. If you have anything concerning Jamboard, Google Classroom, feel free to email me. P. Moran, at fea-njea.org.
Thank you for tuning in to our feature presentation. And remember, please share this video with your colleagues. See you next time.